Assalamu alaikum everyone, we are FinSquad Consultants and we are back with another lecture of Learn Excel. Today is lecture number 5. So, previously we have discussed the clipboard, font, alignment and number. Today's lecture we're going to go through with the conditional formatting. So in conditional formatting there's so many options. In today's lecture I have been discussing the highlight cell rules, top bottom rules and clear rules. The remaining I'll discuss them in the next lecture. Now let's go on with the first one. I'm gonna select this column and I'm gonna go with the greater than option. You see there's already an input of 4.5 here, so all the numbers greater than 4.5 are highlighted. If I change it to 5, so all the numbers greater than 5 are highlighted. So for example, if I want to change the number later on and it's more than 5, you see it's automatically highlighted. So this is the conditional formatting. So conditional formatting is different from normal formatting. It depends on the conditions that have criteria that you set for them. Now I'm gonna go with the next option. The highlight cell rules also have less than, between and equal to. And if you easily understand the greater than rule, these rules are more or less similar. Now I'm gonna go with another opponent rule. First of all, I'm gonna highlight this text and I'm gonna go with the rule text that contains. You see, text that contains Monday is already inputted here. So the Monday is highlighted. Alright, if I input here Tuesday, you see Tuesday is highlighted. This is text that contain. Now I'm gonna go with another option. First of all, I'm gonna select the date. Another option is a date occurring. You see, if I click that option, it will give you many options. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, next, last 7 days, last week, next week, this week, last month, this month, next month. For example, I'm going to select the next week option. So the next week is not here. As you can see, today's date is 28th. So it's not highlighted. So if I select the option this week, the dates occurring this week are highlighted. And if I select the last week, the date occurring last week are highlighted. So this is the date occurring option. Now I'm going to go with another rule in conditional formatting in highlight cell rules, your duplicate values. You see, if I select it, the duplicate values will be highlighted. I click it OK. You see the duplicate values, the 10. If I add 10 here, so the duplicate values are highlighted. So this is the duplicate value rule. Now I'm gonna go on with another thing that I didn't discuss before. I'll show you. If I select an option greater than, you see here you can change the color from light red to yellow fill, green, light red fill, red text, red border. Now this is an option here, custom format. You can customize your format according to your own need. You see there is a number here, font here, border here, fill here, color here. You can customize it as much as you want. Alright, so this is all the highlight cell rules. Now another thing that I'm going to discuss with you is the clear rules, because this is very important to go on further. The clear rule contains clear from selected cells and clear from entire sheet. As you can see, I would like to clear from entire sheet, so I select the option clear rules from entire sheet. So it will clear all the rules that you already applied. Now I'm going to go on with the next thing, top bottom rules. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to select the top 10 items. You see there are 8 items here, so top 10 are highlighted. If I want to highlight the top 1 item, you see the most top one, 50, is highlighted. Similarly, the other option, the top 10 percentage, will be highlighted. And now I'll show you the bottom 10 items. You see the bottom 10 are highlighted. If I select one, the bottom one is highlighted no matter how many times they repeat. Now I'm going to tell you about the above average and below average rules. If I click it, you have to know the average of all the numbers. So to know the average of all the numbers, you will have to select all the numbers and the average will be shown here. The average is 29.375. So if I go here and select the above average option, you see above the average of 29.375 are highlighted. Similarly, another option here is below average. So all the numbers below 29.375 are highlighted. So this is our today's lecture, and we studied highlight cell rules, top bottom rules, and clear rules. I hope that this lecture is very fruitful for you, and if you like the lecture, kindly like our video and subscribe our page. Thank you so much for viewing our video.